Hi, welcome to this edition of The Pipeline. My name is Mike. I'm the Multimedia Specialist here at Marketing Essentials, and I'll be your guest host today to talk about drone videography. In this episode, we're going to talk about what it is, how you can use it, and some of the restrictions and certifications that are needed to properly do it. Over the past couple of years, we have all seen how important video production is for marketing. Along with video production, there has been lots of new developments, and the rise of consumer drones is a big factor in that. Now we can capture amazing footage that was previously unavailable. So drones are cool, right? But what do they actually do for your marketing? How can they help promote your business, your services, your facilities, etc.? One thing drones can really do well is provide views that people normally don't get to see. A lot of drone footage is used for exterior shots of your facilities, your signage, areas where people usually wouldn't be able to go and see. You can get some really cool footage and photographs from a different perspective that help tell the story of your business. This includes interior and exterior shots. For instance, in manufacturing, you may not be able to get up close to some of the automated machines. So with a drone operated safely, you can get a different view of the inner workings of your manufacturing tools. With the advancement in drone technology, nearly anyone can become a drone pilot. But did you know that the FAA actually requires a person to be certified through the FAA if you want to operate a drone commercially? This means that probably not everyone who does drone videography and photography is actually licensed through the FAA and a certified drone pilot. At Marketing Essentials, we are FAA certified to fly commercially. Not many other companies are. This is important for many reasons, including liability and safety. Drone footage can add some amazing shots and increase your video to new levels. If you think you'd like to implement some drone videography or photography into your marketing plan, contact Marketing Essentials today.